My lord, send a rescue party. Heaven knows where this will come out. I'm hoping it'll come out somewhere I can cross over and walk back through the side, but we'll see. Croeso, welcome to Pont Cwm Bedwen. Let's go for a walk. Well, I've been here many a time, but there's not much water. So I've not come for water. I'm going to go for a walk alongside the river and see what trees we can find. Let's go. Well, a pleasant enough riverside walk, but there wasn't much going on. However, where are we? About 10 minutes in, and I've come across this little section, and I'm sure in here somewhere I can find some compositions. Let's give it a go. Oh, back in the thick of it. Anyway, keep going. Some light breaking through in this section, which gives me a chance of a composition. I think with that light falling in, probably give me some depth as well, so let's give these a go. Well, I tried a couple, but it's just all very busy in truth, so I won't hold much hope for those, but there we are. Onwards we go. Almost like a nest of pines overhanging the path. Right, back down to the riverside. Try not to fall over. Riverside adventures. Just watching me step, but we are making slow progress following this river up. I'm not sure whether there's a path here or not, but it's a pleasant enough walk with a scramble. Scramble at the bank, and here we are. Something of interest. Got a couple of photos. Seem to have picked up a bit of a riverside trail again, at least a sign of footwear, so let's keep going. And if you're ever wondering what was there at the top end of Taf Fechan alongside the river, well, we're finding out. There are plenty of woodlands, lots of trees, not many compositions for the camera, scrambling, backside, up and down we go. I'm just taking occasional shots to document what I'm doing. There's the river still down there now, and I'll stick them in the video. We're not getting many compositions so far, but we're having a warm, enjoyable, challenging walk. That's good enough for me. My lord, send a rescue party. Heaven knows where this will come out. I'm hoping it'll come out somewhere I can cross over and walk back through the side, but we'll see. Very beautiful. Coming down there somewhere, a little stream going off. Oh, this is hard work. And we're out of breath, and we're out of the woodland. Decided I should head sideways, find myself something, and I found this track, probably the top end of the Taf Trail, I would think, heading towards Brecon. So there we are. We'll keep wandering now, see if we can find any characters here. And within minutes, some lovely views out to the Bannau, the beacons. Seem to have these mountains a lot in my backgrounds, but there we are. These are my local trips. I'm very lucky. So right about in some open land now. We'll keep going. That's the river valley that we followed all through there. It was an adventure. Anyway, we'll go home on that side because there's a road. That'll be easier. There we are. That's the end of this hot, sweaty exploration. We've ended up near Isav. This is a sort of holding reservoir with some of the old infrastructure. So we'll finish here. We'll take the, you'll probably see the road back home. That's far easier. Hope you enjoyed the scramble. I don't know how many photographs we got, but there we are. Time to draw for now. See you next time.